Well, my question number is now. Yanka say hi, Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So I say on commodity me bro. I'm say, me say on the 30th and on the 31st of this very month, 2022, December 7 making. I have homecoming. And then the 1st of January 2023, when I made the chair, and also a Thanksgiving. And can only say a 3-day event, 30th, 31st of December 2022, and the 1st of January 2023. I have a homecoming festival. Ye kofi na yakosi sifi. Enti ewo agudie wom, ye wa pomode ho nkomo wom, ye wo nimdie ni adusua ho so nkomo wom. Ana ewo edwabo kese ankasa enso wom, ye wo eye miss ahafo so ewom. Ye wo brin so a Ghana mampanyin ni otikokoso 2472. Once beba na wone ahafo man abedi nkomo. Enti bibia di adanse se untimi nyi ho free sa edwabo kese a ebemi I have homecoming, a new home film. When you made the chair 30th and 31st of December 2022, and I feel the 1st of January Thanksgiving service. No, yeah, bro. Nana munina madara ma damase. The House of Chief President and wabedi echi. Young folk my hini and Kenya is number 1. My hini munina ya chacha. My hina wudu nyina yenyi beer and free. Munina damase. Your capital goes so by hini. So you dasi pai inti from Omahins will touch Adroba and you can say Jeduni Kenya 1 and 2 Achinswa Bechem Ekofa Mim Sankore ni kukum yinano. We are so grateful. Ijidi said Bibiabeko come out on the 30th and on the 31st and 1st. And then the organizing committee chaired by Dr. Gama, Bechem United Chief Executive. On one the side, group chairman ma King's Cottage, also here Danasipa, supported by the Council of State Rep Nana Baswa, the members of Parliament, Ayensi Omofom, Ira Bano or Ira Benjamin, Almighty Frida Prempe, Ira Bobi, Deputy Minister, Sports, and Afi, your Wisdom Port, Alaji Collins Dauda, a potential flag bearer from your region. Era Eriko Poku, Munina Damaso Kwansron Kosukra. Ahimanum de Achinswa Hima, oh, wonderful. Educhu Muamosa, so grateful. Number 2, Hima, number 1, Hima, Ahima who do Nina Wahafujana, Damasia, and Sa. Wayinana, under the able leadership of the regional minister, George Boachi. We are so grateful. Party for Wayina, NDC, MPP. My chairman and my followers, we are grateful. The coordination, is the biggest and the first of its kind. The Edikan Krani for homecoming. To mention so. Maybe Bianco Kama Emma. No Macau, same time to say, oh, Kuma or Russell, about time soon in Quetran, which is now, as you be different. You know, our biggest homecoming is coming up. Very much fortunate, boy, could you papa be? Emma no pain and I won't question. Mijidi se shishenso ni tutuegu akwa mabibia eko kama ede emayina. Yaba back to studio there. We are still in the Christmas month. Iti ashweyi any odo, you know, and here demonstrating, and then that sense of patriotism for Omai is very, very important. And home komo ana yebedi. Anope die ewuhoni awo atnase. Making the crew for Unipa American Assembly on any inti or a marine engineer. I born a bra or USA Amanone. Fact, I born a bra a baby I became 80s more no. Let me pay a dance your friend ship house. Inti I born a bra and casa. No, I bear men seeing crutching so pay. And they are the marine engineer in that too, baby. Also a person power na huachi. Nobody NDC amanyu kuni na osum Ghana. Ewa kwa papa so. Oye kweni ana oye obi nso a. Ojidi se Ghana beti ma fa ntuma pa efra. So ne me ya adwana pa ya ma nimnyamfo Peter Kwachi aka Amenfi Central Mashibejeni Akwaba. Afisha pa wawo.
I think about it. We don't ask me brain.
People don't know. If you know, you know. If you don't know, but you got it.
Got it. America follow. I got it.
Oh, Bakwa, be able to.
Yeah, good. Yeah, na I do the anya dey beka ho asmechine.
Ada ka bibi ya besisu bi.
When I say man mu ayedin, eno dey o ka.
Man mu da so yedin. En ko ba bia bakoso aka nti ya. Ije na me expect say all the prescription beto.
Okay.
O man mu ya ayedin say na da challenge aban say. Omo pa omo nkoto. No anako bust. Sa fa ngo no nsema. Etiti fashion. Obo mo the solution to it. It's the I'm expecting.
Okay, no problem. Solution is very easy.
Solution
oh, yeah, very easy. Mind the equi. Just kedie na play na do offer and say a quantity by heart. Yeah, you know. And no Cathedral. Okay, these are
and I'm move free no.
Yes, these are things I you can say, oh yeah. If you want your country to go well, mean why? So be waste is Cathedral.
A waste.
Waste. Asofu for no man kan kire no. Say nyame say nye ba bia e be som no where or how. Not where, but how we serve the Lord. Bible e wo.
Enya bia sonko.
Enya bia sonko no.
The kwan abefa so abeso
no. Bible says if thou will confess with your own mouth and believe in thy heart that Christ died for your sins, thou shalt be saved.
Wakase wo kwa sorry we mu.
Yes. O se wo gidi wo akoma mu na ado ano pam ka say Yesu wu ma a obeje nkwa.
The dine hu hia.
Yes.
Now kwa sorry.
Be kwa sorry.
Now se dine hu hia.
Oh yes, the Bible says we should not forget our communication. So ma. Na eno no ufan Ghana ha aso bia wo de dai. Which is contributed by Christians. We Christians, that's what we do. And you have the tenets of Christianity and Kasa. As of we, they are that die, found that die. Because they know a fan that die. But why should they go wholeheartedly behind this useless venture? And Nipano perishing, we are perishing. It's a salvation message requiring. Salvation message, you know. I said, believe in the Lord Jesus Christ, and thou shalt be saved.
Gerardo Nyankoponi.
The Bible says, as many as believed in him, to them he gave them power to become the sons of God. Even to them that believe on his name. Make me fear book moon. Me fear book moon. Into as of as many as believed in him, to them he gave them the power to become the sons of God. Into Cathedral way. Salvation message here, Bible I can't want me now. There's no cathedral now. No. I said we are saved unto good works. Bible no cannot. Now good works no way. And the chronon kwan. These are the things that are so funny. Sorry no. You concentrate. You changing the hearts of the people. Last week, sorry we invite him. Now me kasa na me ma kwasa me kasa. Now say mo sorry I say young politicians are so for mo tetia. So we be at mo say politicians. As my better I saw them. No matter my position, so for the other canon and a mefa. Because ye baha, when I will can't yamisem or can boost actually, my assassin is buying. And the president crab sorrow bet you. And he said, country now go this way. Oh, now why me? Because you never told me the right thing.
But you can't so move far.
You can't far. Nature one can ye shadow those days. Ukwa sorry na ye kasem na you feel it
with you ni o kaka so
en kwala ye bonu kra na yesuru so betumi atu ano wa ka asebone atia opanyini because of the church what we receiving in the church. And the church, do you receive these things? Now so as a politician and how do all this and some sabi as of one day okwa sorry o jinya medi
o ti o mo sebre o ma no ntimi
kan kire no kwa sorry ya kan kire no na ni fi
na amontu we de enye papa
president plane ya fa wo dware gu crop so ye come di won jai. That's the duty of the pastors and the priests.
Members of parliament is mo kasa mfia ho ni exaggeration mo ka kansem no mo nyai
because you ba sorry consider so ya kwa so ni amaya front seat no MPs ni tete ho sika ni e be yiri no mo hwe. But the word now, Obekama, ya sakra no. And so homosexuals and adulterers cannot enter into the kingdom of heaven. And I dare you. nipa oye cathedral kura meti e so say renowned gay
and the ot
o mati say na make me say be say sa
ye montu baby ene de yate adanse ni nyama
so no em say on hide na yi no sa bro chiri de wo ye gay there's nothing
no
wrong.
problem but
no problem
wakote
yes
me checking na back
yeah okay that yeah Bible say homosexuals and adulterers shall not enter into the kingdom of heaven.
Mamu don't command my position on this gayism and lesbian there
yeah yeah say yeah
that's what jana kote e ba ma she bojo ntie bibi
I said yeah ba unprepared on the bab plan
na chesa
no dey pay for no say me speaker that me leadership
but ache
you kura na edim say because speaker can say obehwema ya expedite
masa da ko butu baby
eche baby
Adom nipa do na wo mu ana
I cannot say but niema yesum kakra because me who why asadi
so would you say take positions of mine on this matter
I say president they will say it is bound to come. Muhammad can say no, it will not be acceptable by the people. And Atamels onyan baby ko also kind openly ma akofo na ogege so amankrofu yi eti akese womani mu na ye say ye be bill ho and a bill no so ya hwa bill no so akote these are the things that here womani if we want to be like a Christian nation
but we are 71% of Ghanaians
and then a Christian for ya bomb no
ya bomb into minor shares no if I can say na be the Christian force
say by their fruits ye shall know them.
The fruits in the
Bible yes
the fruits in
yes and that's of food na age bribe ebinum yes na say ka say so fufu na say omunyina e ka say Ghana fo nyina na
Ghana fo binum
no yes say Ghana fo
binum say be
all right Ghana fo binum the majority no
central for J bribe enye central for binum
okay you can say Ghana is a corrupt nation so Ghana is a corrupt
my Ghana no
my Ghana
nipa na eji ketase ne proyedi djuma no ona doso
efe na obe sakra grammar ni ade na omi
say de be obetima kasa fa won adi akọ
you can say Ghana is a football nation na just obi abo ball
no credit say emu dodo na ye mrantie na nya akwanya esi aka na modern boy ni so ntibetima akosisi hapo no
okay enti me
betima ko Amemfi Central
yeah
ni esipo say aban na ni ko ho a sa Amemfi Central ni kuayo betima ye adwuma ba ko a ebedi tintimai o because already mu ye kuya ho
of course
dem ebi aban o keka o de be so wase no and ewo fom
na koko you say tokra intuaka
that's not free
how do you expect
since when now talk koko intuaka
oh pa last we
o se emu ebi akatua ne na o de bia e aban de onkura nim da
last we challenge me ba say
o aban onkura nim da so oko wakura na okobutuo na utie nsem na hu sampa ha de aban mode bona ko anim bo mode amba ya sutie se na no de betena aka ze ntua akuafo ka no bo ba ne de edem yopo
edem yes
ba wo ba sa be sisu dua se be si ne
okay o de ba na enye fertilizer akuafo ya omunya mass spray na omunya cocoa price na very low odo kra so sanso yentua it's not easy for them na answer na me menchia constituency for emichia wonyina
so we di bonya wonti no ba ko di we di bonya ho da
eti na menchia one special person Dr. Mercy Apia Baden
okay
of free South Africa medical doctor
okay ono ba na ye adwuma na
South Africa
okay
South Africa my schoolmate
all right
and I feel ni ba on di na ba ni nua Angelina Taylor the board in the course South Africa. Enti Saturday no ye na ye because of the congress me enti anko. Enti mo ya akokese Dr. Mercy Apia Baden na Ninu Angela Taylor ye na friend Sophie. Na ne kunu Mr. Tobra. But ye say o mabomodon aye ye ma bibia akoyi. Mo mi na ya akojam ya adom a e beba ye ne on abe di ya ono kakra. Enti
ye ono no.
E ono.
Okay. Enti go say mu da ho.
Constituency, constituency tebia obunya problems so but say na main problems me say you perceive 2 boreholes 50
okay
ma start
opposition MP
oh yes
o source of finance if abai sika odi aba na odi tu
abai sika fian
mo munte say abai asowase ne musika enu be
abai sika de fian na common fund na himi nu achi ha common fund
since time immemorial
yeah
common fund and soon
And so a small percentage.
But we say sika ni binom no. Ana wo so do mo 50 the temu.
Ja you mean asem dem twi tua de che
50 temu papa. Wo dey come mia ehia.
Bi am here nsuo no. Say you 24.
Okay.
Now the pipes no nyina so akoko pipes about 610 nso akogu a.
Okay.
Na me yard man kakra betwi the start here ma te say binom frɛ oh nsuo no ate say me twi nsuo emro bi. Omunya abotre. Because 4 ne ye wie. E be hwe wo ma omu need nsuo no pa first. We serve them first.
By June, I'm in the chair 2027. I'll come and inspect so far the way.
Oh, please do come. Do come. Eti eno na eti me nuanu ma ewo amefisa mo nya abotre kakra skadisa.
In na odi akoso.
So far 4 no. Etu ne etubi onyambe kire. Etubi o Mansu New Zongo. Etubi o bin ena this place
okay, we can revisit it.
Yes, one more.
Anyway, you are part of the education committee.
Yes.
Who close you know? We are satisfied with the ECO educational front.
Educational front. Say they are
part of the committee.
Oh yes.
Education.
Oh, and education there.
Education there. Budget.
Na budget ska emisiga.
Say budget ko sheba mo djuma emre. Na otu no magu budget ni abase wo na watena so wo say pesin to wa ha. Enti mo kama na edisika.
Education
there. You have a right to
recently.
The president's baby is education.
Yeah. About 2 weeks ago. Yeah. About 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
We're doing a lot of work.
Yeah, CHAS.
Yeah.
Education committee.
Yeah.
You hear CHAS.
Yeah.
Letter of the buyer.
Yeah.
And come
so you bring those issues up for us to discuss.
Yes.
Yeah, education is one of the best run ministries in the country.
Dr. Kisiat,
we are aware.
CHAS.
Yeah.
Say STEM schools.
Free SHS no. Free SHS no.
P.
A collapse.
CHAS.
Oh yes.
Oh.
Na se me try
but
doc
education there. Education there.
No. When they are documented.
CHAS. Obi perception.
One more CHAS leadership na buy chairman check.
That.
They are pleading.
That.
See, you cost sharing. They say there should be cost sharing. Because Sikana Omutuyan and Ma. They find it difficult to feed the students.
Wow.
I'll give you a copy.
Offer. Yes. What him say?
Doctor, you know.
No. There are some problems. It will always be with us, which is inadequate funding. And yet, government machinery will always do grand things bigger than we have in the chest. It will always be there. Now, yes, realistic. And then opening a buying seat for school. It's unprecedented. Big schools. And me share TV me say, hey, school pa mean to much. Mean to she na and teacher chairman there or call internet. So in fact TV crazy they were hey isa any day chairman they are connected to the internet. Ebe see that at any year among comfort. And I really think the exposure in young kwala benya through STEM program and the equipment was STEM. Education,
I have a good. You know what is happening.
No, education.
You are telling me because you are part of the committee.
Education is not the West.
Education is West.
No. Hey. Now, Bomosus for Kade. And now, Bomosu in your school can say, beautiful.
Mammy, a conversation. Open say, time here. Uncle say,
no, I'm interested in the conversation.
And I won't come here.
Now, say the Aveno.
Okay, Doc.
Education there. I'm passionate.
Doc, my main man
passionate about education.
Okay, committee, my manager. So my problem there na mo.
And a mere example say in summary no. CHAS abemiti.
Oh.
Charles almost secondary school yeah cause flagship of the country. One be sharing about 3 weeks ago. With a Niama how office free SHS no. It's collapsed.
And money be this day,
If you don't say funding was not there. Government is in the arrears.
The government has always been in arrears.
They have not been any food.
NHS, there's arrears.
Adriani.
Oh.
They pay okay. They I me pay a year can we coach figure na wrong. Yes, and a whole lot. Into their suggestion is say parents should help. The PTA should be
vibrant.
They say there's no PTA. It should come back because PTA was helping. They say always a Duane class PTA crap say obaya it is not allowed. Huh? Yes.
Now did you sell the essentially eco squad headmaster like I said first eco? I mean what are you talking about?
Supply of food no buffer stock. Or quite the only they say what soccer public accounts. I know he's a member of the public account, so he knows what I'm talking about. Me boy onka. All the list of the items in the bar say it be a 5 bags of rice from the bar. I'm just sign for 10.
Oh no.
Oh yes.
No.
Oh doc, I trust you a lot. Don't do this.
No, I'm saying one to start.
What you are documented though. You documented. Public accounts. Auditor General's report.
5 or 10.
10. In
anticipation that they will bring the rest. Then yes, sir.
In anticipation.
In anticipation.
Who signed a document that you have received 5? In anticipation. That's too risky.
Because he cannot wear documented.
It's
all there. And
in our educational setup.
Oh yes. Doctor knows.
No, I mean,
but
problem. He cannot deny that.
We have a problem.
He cannot deny it. These are
the
doctor,
I don't know to a drama me. What the price time me 4 cities. Was me saying 20 cities because what did the can
he has attested to that.
But overall, I think I'm happy
but
with
I'll give you the letter.
Okay.
Charles letter with the amount. Now
because so Doc Akwaba and so
some tree saying beautiful JSS.
Oh,
don't also attempt to ignor the good things happening in the educational sector.
No,
you cannot sit on a committee. Doc Meba.
Aflawo saying beautiful.
Yeah, but you cannot sit on a committee. No, I'm saying that Kwachaka.
President come.
Yes. You cannot sit on a committee as an honorable member of that committee. The other Benina and Yoma Enkoyi Waban. The end about we buy why are sitting on that committee.
The other is also starvation and overcrowding hits free SHS.
Oh. Aflawo dey main committee Aflawo in 4 years who did it.
A lot of your text messages about the winner must be making there are interesting comments. One see ACCC. I tell you, any panel divided over area Peter Kwachiaka in some of the and then they all start responding to the panel both hey.
But that's the truth. That's the truth. Upper documentation, the bachelor.
I see. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Akwaba.
Thank you.
So to say, so to.
Yeah, so to say, bro, okay. The day I so next year, ya kwan. The day I come so I dey co-president or say on kayen edru akwan. Nti ye no na egu so ayebo hundero. Because also always a problem na ambulance call Atlas obetumi akọ. Also always a problem na ambulance ko fo bi wo Tabora obetumi akọ. Nti these are some of our pressing issues. Okay. And more importantly, assembly no is Yanteku. It's Yanteku road leading to local government there. Yeah, Bompire say by me boy. Omo agitated some bear demonstrations. There's a lot of dialogue happening. Munya Butre on your coin, yes. You know,
the last time I checked was yesterday. I spoke to the road minister. Okay. Amwakwata.
Yeah. Offer.
Say Dominic then Bawi, right?
Bawi. Okay, Agape connects to Bawi.
Yeah,
so
yes. Connecting the two.
Yes. Yes.
I think so.
Contractor and Krameshiano.
Yeah, I think so.
Now I can say on record, say petrol crapper or the age for 1 week is almost about 800,000.
Wow.
You can imagine. Petrol keke. And to say a petrol price about for me, hopefully it will encourage him to come to site.
But conscious no money a feel of petrol now about for no and the dollar now about for no.
Oh, I know dear, I think say my papa cry fee or you're aware. No dear, he cannot deny the fact because
he's a major beneficiary of petrol in
dollar
now about.
Say a fisherman seaman there. Or no cry say obeka say and then no. Sa oil prices, yes, say there, are impacting MRP. They say in tools, book crab a coffin. What must say? And now I know soon into
the Ukraine war, Ukraine, Russia, Yajai.
What it tells you now is that the economic management in the team wants some more criticisms.
Said the reason was that we had Ukraine,
but the dollar was less than 10 cities at the time. It's a buffer, you have to admit.
COVID. You want COVID.
I'm admitting that this government making a bit of inroads. They have challenges. Why?
They are tricksters.
Oh, I feel they will be at the end.
Oh, they are tricksters. What do you say?
Na sisi no kosi enkosi kode enkosi.
Adene cost.
Eko yeso a trickle.
Adene cost.
Ento kona ko petrol na price no ya trickle.
Adene
price na ba from ya trickle.
Is petrol? Whatever petrol is what no. They've tricked us.
And now power kotono 15 Ghana cedis.
Make sure say ye can say bad economic policies.
Yeah.
And I'm here do be do. I'm say there be a Ukraine Russia war.
Yes.
And a COVID.
So attribution is not Ukraine Russia. Bad economic policy.
Exactly.
That's what you want them to admit.
To admit. Say the war is still going on. Not why there's some according to them they have put some measures in place. I confirm. So are they taking credit for that or because Russia and Ukraine war no if the bombs no confirm. Which one is which?
We are not saying
they are claiming say my bibi na say you need confirm there. They said the first reason they gave was bad.
No.
It was because of a borrowing. Near dia boka one five no result coming. Return on the investment was poor. And I could do if they admit that. Now some best chopos more maybe.
Okay. No, also about a certain admission. Maybe an apology.
No,
on the part of government.
Some kind of cry. Show. Maybe Yanka dollar rate in one and and that is still a fact. Say, a kuna ekosono is affecting us.
Temporal.
This week.
Wish for that.
Temporal. What have they done?
Nyabote. This week we be brodo. And now the brodo cry. Brodo be do Ghana. It's some idea, no. The whole world, one of the places are free. Ukraine. Wheat, ID, yedi, and you signed to be brodo cry no. Honey free. And it is all say it is not impacting you. I'll be surprised. Say, over catch them and say Ukraine, Russian war no. I impact you. Inti mesro kwache ofa me ame papa enti the key thing
public account
the key thing is say one we have to admit say with the push Yediama finance ministry ama they've set up ama they are putting in the appropriate measures at least broje yahobe hin kakra and I'm appreciative of that. Ghanaians your problem sometimes say yes, small milestones, we don't appreciate it. But I really think, say, from an economic standpoint, and the way you pay your brunyano, the economy is very encouraging. Very encouraging. Even in the storm of the sea, say, we kuya, seaman, and so to make us say, captain, to say, sales, you are happy with it. And now when you're happy with this, the way we are sailing, it's better. Admit it. Now I'm a captain in your crash. No, I age 1 year. And that's all I'm hoping.
So Doc, how do we just put a break to this thing at Airbay? The labor front,
in fact, going to the labor front, labor agitations there, I've been part of the Medical and Dental Association for a long time. Anytime I feel it. It's painful because I mean, once a medical doctor, always a medical doctor. Now, Sana Inyama call with a debt restructure. It is highly likely say and succeed. Highly likely, and I think that in all honesty, our finance ministry needs to start thinking of alternatives because agrono it takes two to play, and the other part a play are gonna say Darby. And if I should resound one of the things Nana Sribo, Dr. Sribo Kayana, which is that they are in a very hard place. Omu judgment and kofu, omu engagement so omudachi is at stake, and is a hard place and the deep blue sea asemna I do know, but it should not be taken lightly. Either way, no, I think that there should be a happy medium. Both labor and finance can jojo and be comfortable. I think that one, may say me jai UK and they gonna compare. And come boss say UK employer omuye bibia kama no crap no, they are having strikes. But what be it as it may, I'll plead say incommodino entwaso na intiasenye ejuma na where government may make amendments to the debt restructuring, because there should be room for some amendment in terms of the payout date or the amount to be paid out. Na yenshena enyema enkoyi. And one of the arguments they made was the fact that the initial consultations are necessary. No, I think that it's never too late. Ideas be a labor front a war with the government adjoin share no. Among from brother the two sides didn't say you know ha and you know enyema bi ya sign because of arguments. Into labor for in fact, December mudie I na leave into I think the shocks might not be much, but you January mupana egusu jiremua hona yebehu the real extent and challenges, because while him say in every year no ura December mo obia time off ne de keka ho into productivity goes down, efficiency goes down. But I really think that that's what Kasa sana member. Me wo fei. Yay, wo fa. Mama ma mic. Mama ma mic.
Kasa 8 minutes.
One. I think that debt restructuring has a challenge. Okay. And I can appreciate.
So you think that the ministry finance ministry should go back and to the drawing board?
We have to. Maybe a drone there. Because opesa ya de ni but omo a oni omo be di agro no ente wase into ye there na we no so no omo ka say voluntary na say voluntary na 10% pen e be ba on board the pool system will not work. So that program way if it will work you need more people to be participating. Okay. So if we need more people to participate per egu and that is the issue. So back pooling and you pooling at insurance ejijin go for pisika nom dia ye adwuma no say we nya a lot of people on board it won't work nti kakra me.
Okay, so kwachi now the thesis are not there.
Me time me father 135 or something.
Me be ma mic. Me be ma mic.
Me enquire me can point the same question na. Yeah, okay. Many say the academy ya drink kakra say why honest and fair kakra hardly do you see when no omo ekasa as a profession they told the bia u pushi na why
a doctor for so omo compromise you
so the minimum private in private life no I na minimum ye no but let's go to the point no the aban ye no very 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 unfair and unfortunate. Say pensioners, one musika. Now, what restructuring? I mean, you can't understand this and understand this government because Omani say we are in case I count 1 year work of a pension. Now, sika na what you go hono buying so over far. How are you going to survive? To say he's praying say but.
Now so kura dia na ya obi nie no ma say kura.
Oba he say bika say dia. O say bika say wo ye.
Area sem kura.
Na ni pa ni ko pension. O say the pension fund no. O money in sanka. So what are you trying to tell him? O no obehia more drugs, medicines, ni ade a obeye no bi kura no oni dan. O person o ko pe ba bi kakra. O di si. Na o say no. Now you know what? Loans are abaya gia na ye ka. Ye betra ye ka mo so odien. Now we Abraham we all can say loans need the Baumia, all knowing Baumia, say loans there. No, you do this one. Then you change from loans to production. Oh, by all genie, can't loans here, Munfeni, some trouble for money and yarding. No, my Jana, the Amini. Now you be such a loans now, Moji, and what do you day? There's no return on the investment. And I'm a bread. No, I don't hear be to say, a terminal 3. Mama Jia, they say, pay for itself. No, a year a trouble gas plant. A year, Mahama G loan or the Koya, they say, I buy a cash cow. Am I? Would you know, G, one fine fee, and a Diego. Dear ma, no more G loans can say, a year can furiata, the company no. A year or share womb, our percentage. Millions of dollars.
No, what's okay. Are you being fair to the company?
Now, is it true or false? You didn't call you, say, your consensus. That was one of the points. Say, conflict of interest. Well, I'm going to but that. But the fact still remains, say, our interest or loans in the engine.
How is that possible? That's a Jumoye.
A Jumoye. You then on one company. And every time your quasi loans are on the bonds are on or a mediator.
The other options, the most suggestive.
Other companies
because other options, the most suggestive.
Okay, it's Mammy Comedy. Why just our loans, young profit no hope. Now, you're watching. I don't know repatriating the profit now. I'm from a good assistant. Now, a pensioner. No, managing Ghana. Now, I don't know, or no, pensioner. Or no manage Ghana and I'll for a pension fund. Would I go to Yauka? When I would say, I don't know, I'm a boca. May a bedroom be a dream. How do you see can I conclusions on a boca? On what you loans? No loans, so RG because interest is a comfortable interest because of the percentage, you know. Yes, can or yes, can or no, RG. What to be that? No, I jam, be a bedroom be a dream. I'm a trasa. See, yes, Cathedral. Ghana. Oh, Jim Lord, I could see Cathedral. Does it make sense? I also woman can I don't just Yami who can Yami punish you. Yami punish me. Yami or cousin Ukraine ye cano. Or so near a waha, now or come dinner, when a journey many. That's the Bible. Now so we could sit down. My Yakotinum near deep body. And I didn't say so, but yeah, need scanner when you know. All famra, no near pensioners, Yom Sicano. Won't touch it. Another one. Ministry and the Ministry of Tourism. Some of you said first, no. Or say a goods and services. I don't know now, or said that, or say, or course, or can say, or Gina emergency. Now, I hear no without passing contingency, not on farm and for parliament. On Casa, they say, what said down the course tourism. I'm a bayer official. I just music cathedral, must have one and more a contribution from the public.
This is a tourist attraction site.
Tourist attraction site. Now, I dear Wusia. Nyame a woman na ntro nkwa na odi ntro adan
you can say I say maintain all the tro
you say I say na make first no one can say public nation government send him and send you who say $34 million for the plan.
Then it was under goods and services.
Yes, now why judges adanya ye book kasi nyina wa fasa asen prime area and ye go ho. And if you who says canon, who could you be secretly was a contingency? Because one for parliament, you who knows what could you a bicycle canon as a contingency. Now, the eye. A federal who a federal or by an official into the question tourism, I say. I obey me a pass it. Now, the this is the way I make catch say, and you don't touch the pensioners' money. My pension, I don't turn on, not just frivolous spending. Quite about first of all, ministries now, a butcher, the Biatra, try to be moved. You can save money there. Ministers are over 80 ministers, no, Tramun Bim, Obanya Ska Asevu, at the Aye Jubilee Household, a Dome Guho, I say cross IDB account. I say a minister for diaspora, a diaspora, dear. While I wait a Brenny, yeah, Brenno, this man doesn't care overspending. Sakita seaport na oyi director no chief executive no ti wona etuareka no it doesn't make sense to you. These are things as a government about me akati ministries ministers Jubilee house people go ho any corruption ever ofori atani sika no nkofa mra ode no ba ye nyina be prince o mo fe sika mfanye.
Don't reduce governance to that extent.
Na de no fa sika no ba.
Don't reduce governance to that extent. O man here so simple, but that's not it. One prefer a better solution to the challenges that we have.
Ebi ma ko say ministries no twa so.
Governance upon so over governance upon person or contribute to
na ministries no omo ntwa so
on the pension fund issue, but quickly you have to wrap up.
Okay.
It's not for governance upon but no.
Na o say wa mama nka se o.
There you di wachi a in same wa ba kan na no pa we no ana. Yeah, ebe we say.
Na say time o man no ayi.
No man wrap up on this.
Me no me near the chair. Me near the chair into no mama
kasa. Na wo opposition.
Me be kasa.
No wa abem wa mama na kasa wa me hu ni sinto. No prescribe solution.
I didn't na dey ka. Do go be ya ba me so kasa. Yes. Nje ko fa sell ndi o mo ba kasa.
But I anyways also be back kasa.
Because
man kasa.
Of a governance.
Manumra. Mamrem.
Ula kosu manakaza.
Enti.
Ama ino ni me ni ye o.
Oh, wafa. Wakasa kakra ye. I think Ghana for the key thing. Dear, a real. Ne say your war dire situation. Very real. Yen to me in everything diagro. Bibia idru no one ton yare unya and wedro. And I think the finance ministry aton Ghana area no in the best way they can. Whether you could loans too much and now you are taking on too many projects, whatever it is, no, to say you drew a certain point in near my debijina ajilono, I'm only for say yeah maubi. You could drew a certain point say the only institution a bit to be a bois or minor, if anything, a IMF. Now me personally,
IMF.
I have to admit, sir, IMF no cre enye adia enye. Personally, may count on a personal note, because say me share IMF monitoring aspect. Sika oji, sika obetmiaje, anything I'll be used to know. So I'm making sure say so they could see hospital, how they could see, how they could see school, how they could see. On that aspect of IMF, no, you're fantastic. And no crown punti, no, checks are already to finance for so no. Na anka ABA any very strong. I won't mind him no. It makes IMF very good for the country. ABA na finance minister nya freedom. Excuse me to say freedom, not too much. Amana yen check it nejuma oye. ABA na parliamentary oversight no na ano nyeding. But with the involvement or with the marriage of IMF on nama obeyede aheye. I think that on the IMF bit, a no is one of the plus. Simple opposition party to say me papa or tihe almost checks and balances on the government and yet stronger. I can at least today say IMF in T. Next year, your next 12 months, no, some of the quote unquote excesses of government are so better. Now, coming back to debt restructuring, pension, pension, sika you did too hot for your Dutch, and I agree with you, sir. Even pension to say snit, pension to say snit, will not be very much touched. More so, tier 2 are a bit more in the private domain, no, and be very much affected. In concluding, no, I think it's one, government will have to sit down with all these labor unions and, more importantly, pension fund advisors. Senna, there should be a happy medium. Not only the feedback IMF say, government was very firm on this direction.
Okay, so
but there should be some changes.
Eti bakaso say sikana mo ye no yempene so demonstration yin na beko bi. Isa say workers no mo mobo. Hwe bra workers bre petrol buo be bi adole yakodu a empo mo bose no. It is not right. any price no call and now say a reflection on the this thing.
Okay.
Now my main reply this mema 1 minute. And na me tibia one man I boafo.
Yes.
Like I am schoolmate.
Yes, you are.
Or call me school until I have reverence for him. Now it's in my question.
Intia yanko school the only reverence.
Conflict of interest na ye can wasemi until and ye obi chairman or say because he is a member of the board of parliament into on resign. Now no secretary they no on member. I just said some of these people no yeah you can understand. And to timemu ma ene ma ekoso ye besi cathedral be the amount for sika esi sa pension esi ya for sika the year restructuring makano far chat ho you don't say anything. Okay, so my now can we there it's not unfortunate.
Thank you for your time.
Unfortunate. And you yan kasa nchiro ye cathedral war say ye
and you unfortunate
ye
Adom echina
ye akoto
ye zoo free and you unfortunate and you unfortunate ye zoo
ayi wa ba lo mo popo we ya okoro
o sip show na ye
wa kasa ka wa ba lo o mo e o mo for ni
wa kasa
so get ni na kasa
ye zoo
e se ka